Alright everyone, so now I'll show you how to get the metallic parts to be created on our ZBrush. So I'll start off with the top and the bottom one first, and then after that we will do the 3 green ones, top and bottom as well. So split into 2 steps. Alright, so here we go. Hold down Control. So when our mask is like this, we change back to the default MaskPen, and then from the front view I'll just select the top thickness here. So I want to use my observation skills and try to grab the right amount of thickness. Okay, but I'm also selecting the inner side, so I'm gonna unselect this side. So I'll go to my top view, and then I have to change this back to MaskPerfectCircle. So a little bit of back and forth, and then I'll just hold down Control and alternate key. Notice that it shows you mask minus. So I'm going to minus off this mask here. Control alternate, left click, drag from the middle. So I want to get to the corner. So I'm only eyeballing on the left side because I know that my left side has already hit the right spot. So when it does the symmetry, it will also be reflected on my right side. So although I'm not super accurate, I'm actually accurate enough to create a beautiful beautiful center circle mask that is minus off like this. Okay, so my top part is created, my bottom part is also created, and now I'll go to my front, and then I'll just do an extract of 0.01. Okay, so the default is 0.02, and I'll just change it to 0.01. So how do you find extract? You will have your tools, tool, subtool, go to tool, subtool, go all the way down, and then you will have extract. Under subtool, extract, and then you click on thickness, change this to 0.01, 0.01, press enter, then I'll just press extract. Okay, so 0.01 because the thinness is really very thin here. So in ZBrush we try not to make it too thin, but we don't want it to be too thick as well. So in this case 0.01 is actually just nice. So I extracted it out, but this is still just a preview. So as you can see just now, when I move my canvas, it actually disappears. So if I want to keep it forever and I want it to be created on another subtool, I actually need to press accept. So once it's accepted, you can see that I created this subtool here. So essentially I have 2 different tools, and then my mask is still on both of these objects. So if I just isolate for you to see, so on my previous model the mask is still on, and on my new model the mask is also on. So every time we do an extract, we need to unmask it. So I'll just control and drag on the background, on a little empty area, control and drag it away. So I'll unmask it, and I'll go back to this, unmask it. So everything is clean. Okay, on the eyeball again, so both of it has the mask off, and then I've successfully created the metal part on top. Okay, so now I'll repeat again on these other 3 metal pieces. So I'll hold down Control, I'll change it back to MaskPen, and I'll just try to eyeball this distance. If it's not right, I want it to be a little bit more on top. I'm observing the negative and the positive space, so your observation skills is really important. And I'm thinking whether that is good. I think that's alright. Okay, I'll keep that. And then I control from the one corner to the other corner, and I got this. So maybe that's okay. Yeah, I think that's okay. My observation skills tells me that's kind of okay, enough for me. So so if I mouse over my subtool, you can see the mask that I currently have as well, and then I can just press extract. And as I tell you, this is just a preview when it's being created. And then if that's good, I'll press accept. So if your computer is a little bit slower, maybe you want to bring down the dynamic resolution to 600 or something. So because just now, as you can remember, my barrel starts off with a resolution of 700. So currently I have 3.8 million points, but I'm kind of okay with that. Because later I need to create my details on the barrels. Okay, and then when that is done, I'll actually make it lower. Alright, so that's what I have right now. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.